what's up, my dude?
Oh, pardon the curses. My bad.
That's all right.
Oh, no.
We'll make you. Hey, Donnie, we'll make you give me a pass.
Alright, we give you a pass.
Yo,
Alright.
that's 4 weeks, 20 papers.
No doubt.
$2.
This is
That's
good
that
radio,
free
but you know
radio
we-
drops for life now.
Alright, enough said, my dude. True indeed.
Businessman.
When you get big, you can't forget about
No problem, no
JLR.
problem.
JLR's coming with us. That's no
So
matter.
Donnie Goins
man.
again, man. Shout out to peoples, man. Let them know who you are, man, where you're from, and what you do.
Yeah, I mean, long story short, my name's Donnie Goins. You know, I'm on sound artist, hustling hard, man. You catch me everywhere, Google the name. You know, I'm on MySpace or hip hop game, SOHH, you know, whatever you want to call it.
All right. Truly active, currently active.
That's what's up. Yeah, I know. We caught wind of you, man, here at Big Underground from Word on the Street magazine. You know what I'm saying? Internet publication. Big up ISIS out there, ATL, y'all hold that down, bro. You know what I mean? Yeah, and we had to have you up here, man, because you know we feel your work, for real.
Really do.
No doubt. So how long you been in the game, my dude?
Seriously, since January 06, honestly. That's about it.
All right.
Just really, yeah, I just basically woke up one day, had an epiphany, you know what I'm saying? I was like, you know what? I gotta do this right here. And that was in January 06, and I basically quit my job, kept hustling hard 24/7 ever since, and I am right
Let
now.
me tell you something. When you got that, yo, nobody can tell you when your time is. So when you feel it's your time,
It's true.
that's what it is. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
And most phenomenals, you know what I'm saying, overnight. It could be someone who decided to do it yesterday. It could be someone who decided to do it 30 years ago. It don't matter.
It's very true. I don't think really
This is
time.
definitely crazy.
Yeah, I don't think time is like, you know, a big, you can start like when you're young or whatever. I mean, I always been freestyling and shit like that, you know. I never really took it serious, you know. Oh, my bad.
Yo, you was like 8.5 right now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I have to give you Mike the Jones in a minute.
I'm picking on it a little bit.
I know the atmosphere is raw dog, but we gotta keep it pro, you know what I'm saying?
I'm sorry. I basically, like I said, you know, you can hustle or you can freestyle, whatever the case may be. It's just that, like, I think when you take it seriously, that's when you consider it a career. And I consider it a career since January 06.
Alright, that's what it is.
Let's move, Diamond.
Yeah.
Let's move, Diamond.
Radio talk.
So, yo, explain the name, man. I'm wondering if I got the same, you know what I'm saying, meaning of the name that you're going to say. So, explain that name, Donnie Goins, man. I mean, is that your government or?
No, it's not my government. My real name is Donnie, actually. And the truth of the matter is I don't like nicknames. So, you know, at the time I was thinking of a stage name. And one day, you know, my man, I was in a group and he just happened to blurt the name out, Donnie Goins, you know. And I had to really sit on it and think about it, but it just stuck because I'm a great writer, you know. And I think it fit well for me, so that's what that comes from.
Felt natural, so you just
That's hot, because you know there was a real Donald Goins.
Oh, of course. I mean,
also.
yeah, of course. He was a fantastic writer. That's actually why I took the moniker. And, you know, I spoke to his son about it. You know what I mean? His son was real cool, gave me the blessing, you know, so I keep it moving.
That's what's up. That's real talk.
That's that
I'm sorry. That's
good.
That's man. I feel that. So, yo, you affiliated with any kind of team? You know what I'm saying? You down with any kind of like music group, or you just a struggling artist on your own?
I'm just by myself. The only team I got is me, my supporters, and my manager. That's about it. Jack Dance, handle Jack Dance, hook rhymes and singles, and that's basically it.
So did you get on any mixtapes or CDs you got popping out there?
I mean, I got a lot of things, honestly, a lot of things out there popping off. I'm about to go in the studio August 2nd, drop like 10 joints, had them floating around, you know.
That's what's up.
I deal with a lot of the mixtapes, but definitely heavy on the internet, like pretty much every major website I'm on. And I got some things in the works.
Well, let me tell you something, the internet is a crazy thing, dude.
Yes,
you know,
sir.
you reach trillions.
You ain't lying.
Trillions.
If it wasn't for the internet, I wouldn't be here, trust me.
Trillions.
You definitely got the resources
You know what
out
I'm
there.
saying? And if you got the knowledge, if you got knowledge of the web, you can manipulate that to a lot of crazy favors.
I tell people all the time, if it wasn't for MySpace, if it wasn't for those social networks, I would not be where I'm at today. And I owe the internet a big part of my career, you know? It's real.
No doubt.
It's not
all right, man, so we gonna jump off into this first joint, man. This Donnie Goins joint. You know what I'm saying? Harlem's finest. We're gonna let you introduce this joint, man.
This is the first one of the CD, right?
It's a sneak preview.
Alright. Okay, yeah. This one right here is called Goodbye.
Fire 89.3 FM.
Big Underground.
We jam like raw. Make sure the mic is on. That's what's up, God.
Yeah, you know what I'm
Don't worry about it. We all are. One person in the business.
Mad at Donnie cause he hustle. If you get airplay, you're lucky, just be humble.
Fire 89.3. Big Underground.
For the summer.
Yeah.
For the
yeah,
summer.
yeah. Donnie Goins in the house, y'all.
What up? Hold on.
For the summer. For the summer.
That's fire right
Word
there.
up.
That's fire right there. Word up. Word up. Fire right there.
Shout out to Spectacular Productions on that beat. Much love.
No doubt, no doubt. That's what's up. That's what's up. Donnie Goins in the house, man. Phone lines is wide open. 1-877-220-0555. Hit us up. Let us know what you think about Donnie Goins. How that's your boy He's in the house.
I'm sure
That's
you will
definitely
agree.
fire. That's rotation status right there. What you say?
Yo, he's not leaving. He's not leaving. You know that's good. That's done. That's done right there.
Yeah.
Some boy, listen up. Someone day for the
Wow, man.
Yeah, that's still right there, man. So, yo, Donnie Goins, man, I mean, how you feel about hip hop today, man?
I feel like there's definitely a lack of creativity. I feel like there's not a people that are innovating in the game, and it's a lot of clones, you know? That's why, like, I make a lot of songs like I do, you know? I made a song, it ain't even out yet because it ain't even mixed good, but it's called F New York, you know what I'm saying? I'll be long story short is because if you from New York, you're supposed to act like you from New York, not from down south and whatever the case may be, you know? And
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy because everybody just runs after the latest trend. You know?
Exactly.
So, but New York keeps in New York. I like your shirt, Run New York,
of course,
NYC.
you know, gotta
Yo, that
represent,
shirt
you
is
know?
crazy. That shirt is crazy. Y'all gotta get it. You
represent.
gotta get this. I don't know. You gotta take a picture with that. You know what I'm saying? Get that popping off.
But you know, like it's as far as the state of the game, that's why I just feel like it's not a lot of creativity out here, and it's sad, you know. But I try to break the mold and just, you know, be a good artist. You know, I do the best I can.
No doubt, no doubt. That's what's up. So, you know, earlier you were stating, you know, you saying how you were a struggling artist and everything. So I'm gonna ask you a question. Would you prefer a recording deal from a major or an independent label?
That's a good question, but I'll have to say in all honesty, a major, because for what I'm trying to do, I need a major exposure. Independent can only give me but so much light, and the truth of the matter is, as an independent right now, I'm doing pretty well without one. So, you know, I definitely feel like a major right now is needed.
No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. I feel that. You know, times are like they used to be back in the past when majors were putting all that money out.
You know,
yeah.
Because of you know, there's a big overhead now. You know,
Yeah.
going into all the marketing and the promoting. And
You know, I like.
agree.
Don't get it wrong. I'm not. I mean, I feel where you're coming from. Me personally, I'm not trying to be out there like that. You
No,
know,
I understand. The fame isn't my goal though, actually. It's just that for what I need to do, I need a lot of people to hear me. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to be rich. If I can make a living and support my family, I'm good.
you gotta just pay for the house.
That's
and
what
I'm
it
good.
is.
Basically.
That's Smooth Diamond.
That's what's up.
Pay for the house. I'm good.
That's what's up.
Take it.
So what's in the future, man, for Donnie Goins, man? What's going on? Any projects coming up?
I mean, I
any
got-
projects that you have out right now?
I mean, the project I got out right now is called About the Author. I got a lot of top-notch production on there. Scram Jones, Kwame, Street Runner, Fury, Freebase, Bang Out. Sure, I was a couple more there too. I got a couple other projects I'm working on. A little top secret. I can't say certain things, but expect some hot music coming out real soon. And I got a show coming up, Faces in the Crowd Showcase, August 7th. I'm trying to perform at Dynamic Producers Conference this weekend or next weekend. You know, I'm just out there, man, hustling and grinding.
It's a
Yeah,
hectic world, God, and you in it to win it. So,
gotta be everywhere.
yo, a real hustle only gets like an hour and a half of sleep, and that's with one eye closed. You know what I'm saying? One eye closed. So,
Exactly.
so it is what it is right there.
Yes,
we
sir.
all in that pit together, my dude.
That's what it is.
Word up. Yo,
That's what's up. That's what's up.
So what's next on the list, my
Yo, you got
man?
any shout outs, my man? Anybody you want to holler at?
Just shout out Big Underground, to be quite honest, man. I appreciate the love, y'all coming out, you know,
That's what's
showing
up,
support, you know, as much love for me. Actually, I came out here, but, you know.
Yeah, that's what's
And
up. You
much
on that
love to y'all.
grind. You on
Yeah,
the grind.
definitely. I mean, nothing is too big and nothing is too small for me. I'm everywhere, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So that's what it is. That's it. Much love to everybody who's listening.
And besides that, Donnie Goins, until you did it Big Underground, son, you ain't did it yet. You know what I'm saying? You ain't done nothing. So,